Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're showcasing some must-have outdoor and survival gadgets that will elevate your adventures. Stay warm with the COALAX heated hand warmer bag and gear up with the versatile Oh Boy tool. Next, the RattlerStrap Flint laces provide style and fire-starting utility, while the new Direction Tackle Smart Band B9 enhances your fishing game. Keep track of time with the sleek Recon 6 watch and ensure safe hydration with the Greeshow outdoor water purifier. Don't miss the Frontiersman for survival, the comfortable Therm-a-Rest Z Lite sole sleeping pad, and navigate with the AOFAR AF 4580 military compass. Finally, tackle any challenge with the robust Chaos Bowie. Let's dive in. Meet the Surviveware 36-inch waterproof splint, an essential gadget for anyone who values preparedness and safety. This lightweight and versatile splint is designed to immobilize injuries quickly and effectively, whether you're at home, in the wilderness, or on the go. Made from durable waterproof material, it can withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring that it remains reliable when you need it most. The splint is easy to cut to size, allowing you to customize it for different injuries, while its flexibility makes it suitable for various body parts, including arms and legs. Plus, its bright orange color ensures visibility in emergencies, making it easy to locate in a first aid kit or backpack. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a caregiver, or just someone who wants to be prepared, the Surviveware waterproof splint is a must-have addition to your emergency gear. Introducing the RattlerStrap Flint laces, the ultimate solution for anyone seeking durability and versatility in their footwear. These innovative laces are not only designed to secure your shoes tightly, but they also come equipped with a built-in flint for emergency fire starting. Made from high-strength materials, RattlerStrap laces withstand wear and tear, making them perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, or anyone who values reliability in their gear. The unique design allows for easy installation on any shoe, ensuring that your laces stay tight even during the most demanding activities. Plus, with the Flint feature, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're always prepared for unexpected situations. Whether you're out on a trail or just navigating everyday life, RattlerStrap Flint laces are a must-have accessory that combines practicality and innovation in one sleek package. Introducing the COALAX Heated Hand Warmer Bag, your ultimate solution for staying warm during those chilly days. This sleek, portable hand warmer is designed to provide instant heat at the push of a button. With its ergonomic shape and lightweight design, it fits perfectly in your pocket or bag, making it ideal for outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, or simply enjoying a winter stroll. The COALAX Heated Hand Warmer Bag features multiple heat settings, allowing you to customize the warmth to your liking, while its long-lasting battery ensures hours of comfort on the go. Plus, it's not just a hand warmer, it doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your devices while keeping your hands toasty. Say goodbye to cold hands and hello to warmth and convenience with the COALAX Heated Hand Warmer Bag, your new winter essential. Introducing the new Direction Tackle Smart Band B9, the ultimate companion for anglers seeking to elevate their fishing experience. This innovative gadget combines cutting-edge technology with practical features to help you maximize your time on the water. The Smart Band B9 boasts real-time weather updates, tide information, and even a fish activity calendar to ensure you're fishing at the optimal times. Its waterproof design means you don't have to worry about splashes or rain, while the built-in GPS tracks your fishing locations, so you can return to your favorite spots with ease. Plus, with a comfortable fit and a sleek design, the Smart Band B9 is perfect for all-day wear. Don't miss your chance to enhance your fishing game. Grab the New Direction Tackle Smart Band B9 today and reel in more catches. Meet the Recon 6 watch, your ultimate companion for adventure and exploration. This rugged smartwatch is designed for those who love the outdoors, boasting a durable construction that can withstand the toughest conditions. With its high-resolution touchscreen display, the Recon 6 provides crystal-clear visibility, even in bright sunlight. It features advanced GPS capabilities to track your location and route, ensuring you never lose your way. Plus, the built-in heart rate monitor and fitness tracking features help you keep tabs on your health during any activity. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or simply navigating your daily routine, the Recon 6 watch is packed with features like weather alerts, notifications, and long battery life, making it the perfect blend of functionality and style. Elevate your adventures with the Recon 6 watch, where technology meets the great outdoors. Introducing the Therm-a-Rest Z-Lite Soul Sleeping Pad, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. This lightweight and compact sleeping pad is designed for comfort and convenience, featuring a unique accordion-style design that packs down small while providing excellent insulation. With its reflective layers, the Z-Lite Soul retains body heat, keeping you warm even in chilly conditions. Weighing in at just over a pound, it's perfect for backpackers and campers who prioritize lightweight gear without compromising on comfort. The durable foam construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the textured surface provides stability so you can sleep soundly through the night. Whether you're hitting the trails or camping under the stars, the Therm-a-Rest Z-Lite Soul is your go-to sleeping pad for a restful night's sleep in the great outdoors. Introducing the Greeshow Outdoor Water Purifier, your ultimate solution for clean and safe drinking water, no matter where your adventures take you. This compact and lightweight gadget is designed for outdoor enthusiasts, providing an effective filtration system that removes 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and harmful particles. With its easy-to-use design, simply fill the included water pouch, attach it to the purifier, and enjoy instant access to fresh water. The Greeshow Purifier is perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy in any situation. Plus, its durable construction means it's built to withstand the elements. Say goodbye to worrying about water quality on your outdoor trips. Grab the Greeshow Outdoor Water Purifier and venture out with confidence. Meet the Frontiersman, the ultimate gadget for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This rugged multi-tool is designed to tackle any challenge you encounter in the wild. Equipped with a knife, screwdriver, and pliers, it's perfect for everything from setting up camp to making quick repairs. The Frontiersman is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity even in the toughest conditions. Plus, its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use, no matter the task. Lightweight and compact, it fits effortlessly into your backpack or pocket, so you can take it anywhere. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a day in nature, the Frontiersman is your reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. Meet the Jaw batteries, your ultimate power solution for all your electronic devices. These cutting-edge batteries are designed for high performance, featuring advanced lithium technology that ensures longer usage times and faster charging capabilities. Perfect for everything from smartphones to drones, the Jaw batteries are engineered to meet the demands of modern technology. With built-in safety features to prevent overheating and overcharging, you can trust that your devices are in good hands. Plus, their lightweight and compact design makes them incredibly portable, so you can easily take them wherever you go. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety and hello to reliable, efficient power with Jaw batteries, the smart choice for all your energy needs. Introducing the AOFAR AF4 580 Military Compass, the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This rugged, reliable compass is built to withstand the toughest conditions, featuring a sturdy aluminum housing and a crystal-clear, easy-to-read dial. Its precision engineering ensures accurate readings, whether you're hiking through dense forests, navigating vast deserts, or exploring rugged mountain terrain. With a liquid-filled design, the AF4580 offers exceptional stability and performance, even in extreme temperatures. Plus, its luminous markings make it easy to read in low light. Whether you're an experienced navigator or just starting your outdoor journey, the AOFAR AF4580 Military Compass is your trusted guide to find your way in any situation. So gear up and embark on your next adventure with confidence. Introducing the Bowie, the ultimate tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. This rugged and versatile gadget combines a high-quality Bowie knife with innovative features that make it a must-have for any adventure. The Bowie boasts a durable stainless steel blade, designed for maximum sharpness and strength, perfect for slicing, chopping, or even self-defense. What sets it apart is its multifunctional design. It includes a built-in survival whistle and a fire starter, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. With an ergonomic grip and a sleek, tactical aesthetic, the Bowie not only feels great in your hand, but also looks fantastic on your belt. Whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling tough tasks around the home, the Bowie is your go-to companion for cutting-edge performance and reliability. Don't venture into the wild without it. And that's a wrap on our must-have outdoor and survival gadgets. From the warm comfort of the COALAX heated hand warmer bag to the innovative Bowie tool, these items are designed to enhance your adventures. Don't forget about the practical RattlerStrap Flint laces and the tech-savvy New Direction Tackle Smart Band B9 for your fishing needs. Stay stylish and punctual with the Recon 6 watch, and hydrate safely with the Greeshow Outdoor Water Purifier. The Frontiersman is your go-to for survival, while the Therm-a-Rest Lite Sole sleeping pad ensures a restful night outdoors. Navigate confidently with the AOFAR AF4580 Military Compass and tackle challenges with the rugged Bowie. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out these fantastic gadgets for your next adventure.